Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're seeking relief from dry air, looking to enhance your indoor environment, or simply craving a breath of fresh air, the Cool Mist Humidifier is here to rejuvenate your space. In this episode, we'll explore the soothing mist, uncover the benefits of optimal humidity, and unveil the magic that this humble device brings to your home. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Cool Mist Humidifier for bedroom on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Alexa, turn on humidifier.
Dreo brought the cutting-edge technology to its brand new HM713S humidifier. It can be switched between cool and warm mist with one click. And the dynamic mist is unleashed by a powerful air blower with up to 3,900 RPM. The high-efficiency PTC heating element generates a warm mist of up to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. The warm and cool mist evaporates in the perfect range for comfort. The Dreo app lets you control your device wherever you are. The pioneering humidity sensor is twice as precise as other humidifiers. Combined with the indicator and ambient light, the HM713S gives you the humidity at a glance. The aroma tray and sleep mode creates a better sleep atmosphere. Furthermore, the long runtime and quiet operating sound guarantees the HM713S is the best sleep companion. It is easy to clean with a lift-to-remove water tank and modular design. The HM713S is the ultimate solution to humidify your home and comfort your family.
Number 2.
No one should wake up stuffy and miserable with dry skin, so get rid of all that dry air with the everlasting comfort 6-liter ultrasonic humidifier. As many may know, humidity is essential for keeping our bodies healthy during the dry months, but it can be tough to find a good quality humidifier that is simple to use, doesn't break the bank, and doesn't have to constantly be refilled every few hours. Not only is this humidifier sleek and modern in design, but it also has a 1.6-gallon water tank that lasts up to 50 hours on a single fill. That's 6 nights of transforming your home into the perfect atmosphere. Created with safety in mind, this humidifier has an automatic shut-off feature when the water level is low, making it ideal for children's rooms and bedrooms. The humidifier is whisper quiet for no disturbances day or night and covers up to 500 square feet of space. This ultrasonic humidifier also includes a hidden essential oil tray to enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy. Breathe better and help your skin stay hydrated and healthy. Life-changing comfort is just a mist away.
Number 3.
When you're feeling dry, step into an oasis of your own creation with the LEVOIT Oasis Mist Smart Humidifier. Dual mist technology provides either warm or cool mist, perfect for adding a refreshing touch to summer heat. With the free VSync app, you can also customize your preferred relative humidity level and let auto mode maintain it throughout your space. With a top fill tank that's easy to refill and clean, 2 nozzles that turn in any direction, and noise reduction technology, this humidifier makes home wellness easy. Create your own oasis with LEVOIT.
A healthy atmosphere should remain consistent through every season. The LEVOIT Smart Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier helps keep your home fresh, no matter what the weather is like. With the VSync app, you can monitor humidity levels and adjust settings whenever you need. The Classic 200S can even connect to virtual assistants for easy voice controls. Program the humidifier based on your daily routines, or let auto mode take care of it all. The humidifier's large capacity offers up to 40 hours of continuous use. With 9 mist levels available on the VSync app, You'll have no trouble reducing dry air and relieving any seasonal symptoms. Best of all, the built-in essential oil tray lets you create a soothing environment for a perfect night's sleep. Stay healthy all year long with LEVOIT.
Number 5.